Do large language models think? What is the nature of thinking? Thinking involves a variety of mental activities. Perception, gathering information about the world around us through our senses. Attention, focusing our attention on the relevant information and ignoring the irrelevant information. Memory, storing and retrieving information from the past. Language, using language to represent and communicate our thoughts. Reasoning, using logic to draw conclusions from evidence. Problem solving, finding solutions to problems. There are many different theories about the nature of thinking. Some theories focus on the cognitive processes involved in thinking, such as perception, memory, and reasoning. Other theories focus on the social and cultural factors that influence thinking. One of the most influential theories of thinking is Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Piaget believed that thinking develops through a series of stages. Each stage is characterized by a different way of understanding the world. Another influential theory of thinking is Vygotsky's theory of socio-cultural development. Vygotsky believed that thinking is a social process that is influenced by the culture and language in which we live. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the neuroscience of thinking. Neuroscientists are using brain imaging techniques to study the neural correlates of different types of thinking. Here are some of the key characteristics of thinking. Thinking is intentional. We think about something on purpose. Thinking is symbolic. We use symbols such as language and images to represent our thoughts. Thinking is recursive. We can think about our thoughts. Thinking is context dependent. Our thinking is influenced by the context in which it occurs, such as our culture, our experiences, and our current situation. Here are some tips for improving your thinking skills. Be curious, ask questions, and seek out new information. Be open-minded. Be willing to consider different perspectives and to change your mind when presented with new evidence. Be reflective. Think about your own thinking and try to identify your biases. Be persistent. Thinking can be challenging, but it is important to persevere.